Hey beautiful people, how you doing? Thank you so much for clicking to watch my video. I really appreciate. My name is Tando, and this video is going to be showing you how I achieved this pixie cut, wig slash bow cut, whatever you want to call it. And I didn't do the glue gun method that everyone is using on YouTube. I sewed the wig down, and it was tedious. Like, it took me like I don't know, but it took me longer than what I would usually what I would usually do a week for. So stay tuned and see how I did this week. Thank you so much. Click, share, whatever. Like, I really appreciate. Bye. Yeah, guys. So you're gonna need a dome cap, a blockhead, and a cap like this. Like, this cap is like life. You're gonna need clippers. You're gonna need the hair, of course. I'm showing you the hair there. So I'm gonna start with shorter lengths, and add like the second longest and the last longest. So I'm showing you there the hair there that I'm using. And when I bought this hair, I thought it was 27 piece bump, but this Amazon seller really played me. Like, you know, this hair was trash. I don't even want to lie. Like, but anyway, this is how you do the wig. This is how I do the wigs. So I'm just showing you the bundles. I'm gonna sew them strip by strip, which was really, it took forever, but at the end of the day it's really worth it because you need them to be as flat as possible. So I'm showing you there where I'm putting my first bundle, and I'm just using a blanket stitch. This is like the whole bundle now that I've put. So I'm going on the second bundle, and I'm showing you how I'm just gonna go diagonal, like just following diagonal. You can cut the tracks, like, you know, it's just short hair. It's no biggie really. So I've done the second part, the second bundle there. I'm showing you like I love this cap, y'all. See, now I'm at the center, so I'm just gonna go and start going round with the longest bundle. And then when I'm in the longest, I'm gonna put the what you call the closure. Yeah, so I'm just showing you there how I just go round. Like, it's really, the video is really self-explanatory. Like, it's just round. Yeah, as you can see. And I'm still doing my blanket stitch method. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. So I'm just going to continue going around until I get to a point where I just need a bit of space so that I can put the closure, so I can measure the closure, you know. And I love this cap because it shows, like, you know, how to position your closure, the center part and all that. Like, this cap is the best for doing like these kind of wigs, like even if you were doing like a full fringe wig, this is the best cap to get. So I'm showing you there where I'm gonna put the closure. Yeah, it's looking nice, like, you know. Oh god, this thing kept on coming off, like it really kept on like disturbing me, you know. So I've put the center part, the closure part. So I'm just gonna go around. I think I'm done. Here's our wig. As you can see, the wig is looking a bit bulky, so I'm just gonna go there with what do you call that, a shears? No, I don't know, there's a name they call it, I just forgot. Like, I'm just gonna go in there with that cutting, oh, what is it called, cutting comb? Oh, I forgot. So this hair was trash. It was actually ruining my scissor, you know. And then I had to come back with the clippers, trying to make it, and even the clippers, it was getting stuck in the hair, you know. So I had to wet the hair. You will see I had to wet the hair and come back with like scissors and comb, you know, and try and just get those layers, like those, that fullness, that bulkiness out there, you know. So now I'm wetting the hair, and then I'm gonna start cutting it, like putting in as if I'm putting layers, taking off the bulkiness, taking out the heaviness, just on the sides. Like, I just left the top part. I didn't touch the top part because I like the bulkiness of the fringe. I needed to have like a bit of bulk and volume. Yeah, so yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm continuing cutting. That's just what it is there. I'm just cutting the hair, like, you know. And then I just went in the front and then just did a bit of feathering just to make the fringe not as heavy, you know. If you want it heavy, it's fine. And then the last bits, I'm just putting on mousse, just styling it off. You can dry it, but I just leave it to dry naturally. I just leave it to dry like that, you know. And I went back and I got my makeup. I can't wait to try this wig, yo. I just couldn't wait, you know. So this is me now, ready with my makeup and all that jazz, you know. And I'm like, ooh, can we try this wig? Can we try this wig? See, I play too much. What am I still doing there? Go and get the wig. Ah, Jesus, what are you still doing? Oh my God. Okay. Now finally we got the wig now. Yeah, so I'm just like combing it out, you know. I'm so excited to try this wig out. So yeah, now I'm just gonna put the wig on, and yeah, let's see. I'm liking it. I really like the way this wig came out. Like, you know, even though the hair was trash, but the wig really, it did come out like really nicely, you know. So yeah, I don't know what you guys think, you know. So I make wigs like this. I have wigs like this on my website, but with not this kind of hair. I have like real 27 pump hair, not this one. So yeah, thank you guys for checking me out. Ciao. I really hope you enjoyed this video. So I'm done. Like, what am I doing? Feeling myself like always. Bye. Go. You're just too much.